फोटो लाइव लाइव
करिए ना काय
साहेबांना का प्रॉब्लेम ऑफिसर नहीं ऐका डिफरेंसेस क्या है उनका डिफरेंसेस भाई राजू और
ये सभी किधर सर
आमचे गेले मर कुठं थांबत
because everyone is concerned parent. Everyone is concerned parent. Let us
आम्ही सगळे ऑफिस बेरर कोण आहे ना सगळे ऑफिस बेरर
पाहिलं कोण ना
पाहिलं कोण नाही
रस्त्यावर आमचं रेस्पेक्ट करणं काय ऑफिसात येऊन प्रॉब्लेम किती लोकांचं काही नाही आम्ही भूमिपुत्रांनो एंट्री आली भूमिपुत्र रोप टर्न कर रोप काढ बेगीन काढ फटाफट पोलीस स्टेशन रोप सोड हेल्प करतो आम्ही आड रे विशाल आड रे रोप सोड रे रोप आड रे सोड रे रोप सोड रे रोप तेव्हा टेन्शन बेगीन फटाफट दोन्ही साडींचं तेव्हा टेन्शन
पाठी जरा स्टाफ पाठी जरा मस्त रोप घेऊन ये नॉर्मल आहे केलेले पोट मोठे सेमी न्यूड आहे पूण कितें तरी आसा ही केस धांपल्या सरकाराच्या प्रेशरान आनी म्हाका दिसता हें रॉंग पुलिसाची ड्युटी आली सगळे एंगल इन्वेस्टिगेट करपाक हे पुलिसान करूंक
मागीर
ग्रीन पार्क ताका
main we have come to know that there has been a body of a teenager found on Kalabut beach.
there are different angles and
For our shocking senses, we have been आम्ही कालावधीचे लोक हा पळय ते केन्नाच हे इतले बुरशेपणान पळय हे घटना जाला पळय केन्नाच पळोवंक ना आमच्यानी आनी नाव अक्षरशः आमी सगळे लोकल पळय हा कलंगूटान ते भिवलेले आहा कित्याक फॉर द पास्ट 1 month एक म्हयनो जालो 5 इन्सिडंटाचे वयर 5 इन्सिडंटाचे वयर घडला की देर हॅज बीन
ओके मागीर बायट घ्या नॉट इनसाइड पुलिस क्वार्टर
Because all angles has to be investigated.
the past 1 month जे हितून चेनावली जावं कलंगूट जावं मेन म्हणल्यार गोवा ट्युरिजम डेस्टिनेशनाचेर विमेन आर नॉट सेफ, यूथ आर नॉट सेफ. झगडी झुजा जाता, कोणाक बंदूक घालून मारता, कोणाक रेप करून मारता, मर्डर जाता, रेप जाता. सो हे कंटिन्यूस आतां इतले पासून पावला आनी हांगा आतां सद्याक द क्वीन ऑफ बिचीस म्हणटाले पळय ते दॅट हॅज गॉट अ टेन. तेजेर एक दाग पडलेलो आहा. ही आतां चोडवाची बॉडी मेवला पळय ते आमकां क्लियर करूंक जाय की तुमी म्हणटा आतां एज पर पोस्टमॉर्टम रिपोर्ट्स आमच्यांनी न्यूजार आयकलां की एसपीन म्हणटा इट इज केस ऑफ ड्रावनींग म्हणून. नाव वी वॉन्ट टू नो कित्याक अक्षरशः आमचे पेरंट्स आहा तेय भियेला, ते फाल्यां आमकां भायर वचपाक दिवचे ना. CM म्हणटा पेरंट्साची फॉल्ट म्हणून की भुरगे भायर बिचार भोंवता म्हणून. आमकां कितें बिचार भोंवंक रायट ना? आमचे घरा बिचार आहा, आमकां घरा भायर रावंक जायना. सगळ्यांची आमची कोस्टल बेल्टाची प्रॉपर्टी सगळ्यांची बिचार देंवता. तर आमकां ते आमचेच भाटान रावंक जायना, आमचेच बिचार आमच्या घरा भायर वचोंक जायना. म्हणल्यार CM इज ट्रायंग टू से वॉट. एंड नाव इतलेच पासून जाला की ते आतां बॉडी मेवला बिचार, कलंगूट बिचार बॉडी मेवला. ड्रावनींग केस म्हणून तेंच्यांनी डिक्लेअर केला. वेर इज द एविडन्स? हाऊ डीड दॅट बॉडी रीच देर? तेजे फायनल पॉयंट, वेर डीड शी गो फ्रॉम, वेन शी वेंट फ्रॉम अ हाऊस, where did she go, with whom did she go, how did she land up on the Kalangut beach? याचेर कांयच connection कांयच दिवंक ना. It is a shame for every Goan that this incident has happened.
तुम्ही डिपार्टमेंट क्लेकरार ड्रावन जावन हें केलें मॅडम बुडून, पूण अशी बी फर्स्ट टायम आयकलां हांवें पळयलां अशें करून कोण कपडे काडून ड्रावन करून हें करतात सुसायड करतात.
आतां
biggest question mark, sir, here is what she is comes from a middle class family. She is gone to work. When she's gone to work, how she land on the beach? That too, we all know that she was in a compromising position, and you all are saying it's just a drowning case. No.
No.
So when the body has been found,
You say that she
body, it is all in the news that body has been found basically not properly clothed. And so how she should be on the beach? That was
your statement. You are most welcome to give your
no,
statement.
it is going.
this is what police itself has said.
I heard you.
I have one more point to make is that we want to know clarity. आमकां जाय, आमकां लोकांक क्लॅरिटी जाय की हे इशूचेर कितें जाला. आता
What is the real?
ना तुम्ही स्टेटमेंट करता, SP has made a statement, he is on record on press.
ओके SP कितें आसूं, तुमी कितें म्हणटात, तुमी कितें म्हणटात, कश्मीर म्हणटात.
बॉडी तुमकां गावल्या न्हू सर, तुमचे डिसिजन नो.
तुमची जुडिक्शना मेळटा, तुमी कश्मीर अशी
जुडिक्शन
कश्मीर ती सांगा म्हाका.
बॉडी जी गावल्या ताजेर इन्क्वेस्ट जालो, ताजेर पोस्टमॉर्टम जालो. डॉक्टरान पॅनल ऑफ डॉक्टर्स सर्टिफाईड. ओके, वी आर इन्वेस्टिगेट. आयकूंक येना जाल्यार मातसो व्हिडिओ प्ले करूंक जाता प्लीज. आय एम टॉकिंग टू, आय डोंट
Go ahead.
So body is found, inquest has been conducted, the body has been subjected to postmortem. As a postmortem report, postmortem has been conducted by a panel of doctors, and whatever findings have been received and given to the police, we are investigating from that angle.
So what is the
How she reached to any CCTV?
We have
evidence you found in it?
we have not closed anything. The police have not closed anything. The investigations are on.
2 दिवसाला CCTV फुटेज मिळालं.
Yeah, how she reached to Kalangut?
Everything, the 3 police stations are involved. 3 police stations are conducting investigation. We are coordinating with each other. We are collecting lot of inputs. We are sharing lot of inputs amongst all the 3 police stations. We are trying very hard. Our efforts are on. It is not that we have.
ते रात्री बीच पेट्रोलिंग आसले.
Yes. Everything is there.
CCTV फुटेज आहा तुमचे कडेन. CCTV कशें पावले, केन्ना पावले.
How she reached? With whom she came?
We are scanning each and every
अजून
place.
मेवना, अजून हे करू.
Sir, exactly from where it has come, we do not know, because the body has been washed ashore. So let us see, let us investigate, let us find out whatever inputs. Even if you all want to give us, we are free.
Our experience is drowning now. Our experience इतले तेंपाचे केन्ना बॉडी बुडलेली
एका दिसान रोखडी केन्ना मेळना इतले फ्रेश केन्ना मेळना पावसाच्या दिसांनी जरी इतले फ्रेश केन्ना मेळना सो मच एक्सपिरियन्स
For
वी
that
हॅव सीन
purpose, even if somebody is willing to come in front and give us help, we are requesting. We will take on record.
सीसीटीव्ही फुटेज तो तुमकां अजून मेळना 2 दिसांनी
चलता सर, scanning lot of. We are.
तुम्ही साहेबा आमकां सांगिना पासून की सीसीटीव्ही तुमकां मेळना की मेळना हे पासून सांगिना आमकां आता
Whatever, see, not only CCTV
ना
footage.
कितें तरी अश्युरन्स आसूंक जाय की बाबा वी आर सेफ म्हणून फाल्यां
ट्रॅकिंग आसता विचारतो
I am
ट्रॅकिंग कितें
telling
आसता
you, I am telling you, my officers are on the job. Not only my officers, officers from other police stations, other subdivisions are also on the. We are coordinating with each other. It's not that.
नाही आज पयर मिसींग जातले पळय बापा लेकर पेरंट्सांनी हें केलें पळय कंप्लेन लॉन्च केली पळय तर तुमचे डिपार्टमेंटाक कितें एफर्ट आसले सांग म्हाका सांजचे म्हणल्यार की मोर्त म्हणल्यार
That is what
कितें एफर्ट आसले कितें कितें केलें तुमी
Listen, that particular incident of missing. तो आमच्या पुलीस स्टेशनाक जावंक ना पूण जेन्ना आमकां बॉडी मेळ्ळी पळय तेन्ना वी शेअर्ड द इन्फॉर्मेशन आनी तेन्ना आमकां कळून आयलें दॅट दीस पर्सन हू इज डिसीज्ड was involved in a missing person report which is registered in Mapsa police station. So we started coordination आणि आम्ही त्या पोलीस स्टेशनाकडे तिन्ही पोलीस स्टेशनाकडे आम्ही कोऑर्डिनेशन इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन चालू आसा
ते मिसींग जाल्ले ट्रॅकिंग जाल्लें मिसींग जाले पळय रिपोर्ट जाले मागीर ट्रॅकिंग सुरू जालें काय म्हणून गेले
सगळे जाल्ले
आतां कनेक्टिंग कोणूच मेळना
is what we are trying. If somebody in your knowledge is aware of this particular
तुमी
fact,
सांगतले आमी तुका पण तुज्या नॉलेजान कितें मेळटा आमकां सांग
आमच्या नॉलेजान जे कितें मेळ्ळा पळय वी आर इन्व्हेस्टिगेटिंग. It is not something to be brought
पण
out.
कनेक्शन आसा न्ही हेका
I am at this point of time. I cannot disclose anything to you.
तुम्ही
It's a
सेम
subject matter.
पांच इन्सिडंटा घडला
It's a
गोंया
subject matter.
5 इन्सिडंटा घडला गोंया सगळे इन्सिडंटान आन्सर दिता तुम्ही की इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन चालू आहा म्हणून
I will restrict only to this particular. To my knowledge.
सर आमचे गोंय टुरिस्ट सर गोंय आमचे टुरिस्ट स्पेस रायट आमकां कितकेशे आमचे फ्रेंडा फोन करता की इफ वी सेंड आवर डॉटर अलोन इफ शी सेफ what we should be telling to our customers and to a family friend who want to send a family member alone, thinking that Goa is one of the safest place. In last 10 years under this BJP rule, there are so many crime has been committed. Rape is one of the highest, and murder also itke आमी पयलेले आसा, चोरी पयलेले आसा, and we don't see any law and order. We see cops are busy only giving challan to citizens, and cops are busy basically in their own world, busy catching hold of only ganja, nothing else. सो तुमकां अशें करपाकूच बिजी दवरला कितें सरकारान हेंच्यांनी आनी लो ऑर्डर काय करपाक दवरूंक ना कितें ह्योच एक क्वेश्चन मार्क येता आतां आमच्या मनान
सारखे जावंक ना
I will not respond to you.
नो सर पेट्रोलिंग सारखे जावंक ना सर तेन्ना
I will respond.
नाल्यार ते तशे थंय कशे पावतले असले आणि जीव दिता ते पर्यंत थंयसर कोणी पुलीस नसलो कोणी लोक नसलो तुम्ही म्हणटात न्ही अशें की सुसायड केला म्हणून व्हायरल केल्ले आसा अशें सुसायड जर जाला जाल्यार ते हाफ न्यूड कशें आसलें तुम्ही आमच्याकून चड एक्सपिरियन्स आसा सर तुम्ही खूप केसी पळयल्या तर अशी केस फर्स्ट टायम पळयतात तुम्ही हाफ न्यूड गर्ल अँड शी वेंट फॉर सुसाईड हाऊ इट इज पॉसिबल
टॅली जायना न्ही मॅच जायना तुज्या एंगलाच्यान टॅली जाता आमच्या एंगलाच्यान टॅली जायना
तुम्ही मिडियाचेर सांगता की ना तुम्ही मिडियाचेर सांगता की असॉल्ट जावंक ना म्हणून तुम्ही मिडियाचेर सांगता असॉल्ट जावंक ना
कितें marks
म्हणून ड्रावनिंग केस मॅटर म्हणून हे सांगला आता हाफ न्यूड म्हणून
Based on the reports.
साहेबा तुम्ही रिपोर्टाचेर प्रमाणे सारक्या तुझे fair enough but you all should give the assurance to the public that we are still investigating the other angles no Browning म्हणून तुमच्यानी
I am saying I am the SDP.
आता सांगता तुम्ही साहेबा आता सांगता
Nobody asked me. You never asked me. You asked me now.
आता म्हणून येयला न्हू आम्ही we are press केल्ली
I am saying.
प्रेसर इज ऑन रेकॉर्ड जेन्ना तो म्हणटा पळय that there is this thing
We are still investigating. We are
investigation
still investigating.
some assurance has to be given if you are
I am
coming
making a statement. I am
okay
making a statement.
now
You
we
are-
got to know no
because
now
you
we got
have
to
a
know
doubt.
साहेबा आणि एक सांगता कॅन ड्रावनिंग इन्सिडंट आणि कोण हो मेन कालांगूट द क्वीन ऑफ बीचेसाचेर हाफ न्यूड वचून न्हावपाची शक्ती आहा
These are all subject matter of investigation. Whatever you are saying, you are also free to come and you are also free to give your apprehensions. We'll take it on record and we'll investigate from your that.
five cases are going on in Goa. You are I know पांच केसी चालू आहा गोंयांत 5 केसी चालू आहा ओके ते 4 केसी सोडून दी हे कालांगुटाचे मॅटर हा पळय ती केन्ना पासून सॉल्व करूंक जाता. गिव अस अश्योरिटी दॅट वी विल सॉल्व इट एज सून एज पॉसिबल. 10 days, 15 days, 20 days. And you should come out. You should come out.
And what about beach patrolling? It will be strong.
तुवें आमकां सांगलें कितें? तुवें कितें
ना
सांगलें?
ते लेफ्ट दिसा आमकां जालें तशें.
नो वन केम. ओके आयक आतां आमी येयले आयज आमकां दर्यो आहा.
पेरेंट्स जायना
कितें आमकां दर्यो आहा मरे आयज. साहेब सांगता आमकां नो वन केम टू हिम. When we are coming here, you are putting a rope here. Forward, we are not terrorists. We are Kalangut people. As Kalangut police station, 1 minute, madam, I'll finish. As Kalangut police station is a whole lot of this thing. Can't na there's earth na. As from 11 o'clock till 5 o'clock, girls are going around prostitution, drugs, सगळे चलता. ओके आणि हे चलना कोणाच्या अंडर? तुमच्या पोलीस स्टेशनाच्या अंडर. हां पोलीस स्टेशन हे कोण करता? हांव सांगता हां यू पुट मी ऑन रिकॉर्ड रायट. आणि आम्ही सांगलेल्या पावटी ना. आता तिथं आनी एक प्रश्न हे उकडला नेक्स्ट टू न्यूटन सुपर मार्केट. तिथं ते महाराष्ट्राचे ते आयले हांगासर मसाज पार्लर घालतात आणि आमी 5 जाण आसत जाल्यार आमकां भितर उडयतात. ते कितें करता? ती प्रोस्टिट्यूशन चलता थिजर. पयला तुमी हांवें कितले लॅटरी केल्यो पुलीस स्टेशनाक. एक तरी सॉल्व जाता तुमच्या पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर? हां पळय साहेब हांव तुका एक सांगता तावो मातसो व्हडलो म्हणजे रागात जायनाका. तुका हांव कांय म्हणना मिस्टर कोलासो यू नो मी व्हेरी वेल. बट द डे वेन यू हॅव एंटर्ड SDP इन पर्वरी तेन्ना साहेब तुवें पासून कांयच करूंक ना. तुवें फकत बऱ्या मनशांक भितर उडयलाय. इतलें तुका सांगता. एक सांग 1 मिनिट मॅडम. हांव कितें म्हणटा न्हू तुवें कांय करूंक ना रायट. तुका तुजो पात्रांव वयर आहा न्हू ते सांगता तुमकां ते तुमी करता रायट. आमी जाल्यार कुत्रे सी आमी युनिफॉर्म घालता पूण आमी कितें करता? आमी पॉलिटिशियनाचेर कुत्रे जाल्या रायट. आनी कितें ते सांगता ते करता. अरे म्हाज्या फुडल्यान हांव तुका केस घातली म्हाजेर रायट. पोलीस स्टेशनार केस घातली म्हाजेर कित्याक? म्हाज्या फुडल्यान PI आहा मरे. आनी तूं घालता तेजेर बरोय म्हणून फुडें केस घालूंक कितें चल्लां? हां चल्लां कितें? हां सॉरी मॅडम.
I'm Deputy Collector Bardes. So I want to assure you that this case is being thoroughly investigated. She was found in a condition which was suspicious, as you said. So police is investigating every possible angle. Okay. The angle of sexual assault, it was discussed. It was the postmortem report from a panel of experienced doctors have given it that there was no such thing. So if you say, just as you say that it was found in a nude condition and there are other possibilities, so police is investigating every possible angle. See, we have nothing against the girl. We are for her justice only. So we will ensure that this is solved as soon as possible and the girl gets justice.
Madam, we have our daughter.
We have
our daughter. We are afraid to stay in Kalangut. The way police station is working in Kalangut, this is all dirty.
Were there any bruises on the body of the...
We say it is drowning.
तूं मेरा मॅडम मॅजिस्ट्रेट न्ही लॉ एंड ऑर्डर न्ही तुगे वुमन सेफ्टी मागीर कितें आसा? वुमन सेफ्टी मागीर कितें फुडें घेवन वुमन सेफ्टी लॉ कित्याक तुगेलो सांग म्हाका.
कोंकणी कळना
इट्स अ लॉ फॉर वुमन सेफ्टी.
अभी सभी को पता है कि कलंगुट जो है वो एक टूरिज्म एरिया है राइट मैडम. टूरिज्म एरिया होने के बावजूद वहाँ पर सेफ्टी के लिए हमारे सेफ्टी के लिए क्या है?
वुमन सेफ्टी के लिए देयर इज अ
There is
लॉ.
always patrolling going on.
देयर इज अ लॉ. कैसे हो रहे हैं? वेयर इज पेट्रोलिंग?
I understand.
Do you have a duty on that day?
See, this is, you are highlighting one case. There are so many cases. We go to beaches, we are returning safe. Why is that not highlighted?
Madam, we have come here only for one case.
So
And
we
that
are
is
discussing
why-
that case only.
And we have come here
That's
because,
what I see.
because our ladies are there, my
understand
wife
all
is
of
there,
you.
my
Madam,
children, daughters
did
are
you
there.
take the footage of Green Park Hotel? Did you collect those footages from
See,
there?
everything is under investigation. We are investigating
Investigation,
every
no,
possible angle.
that should not be the
This is a
reply.
part of investigation.
That should not be the reply.
See, unless investigation is
Every
completed.
hotel has CCTVs. Did you ask the hoteliers whether from this, did you try to take the footage from the hoteliers?
See, it is a part of investigation which is going on.
Yeah, but did you ask them?
It is
Were there any bruises on the body of a girl?
every possible angle is being investigated. Every possible angle.
और ये चीज हमको हजम बिल्कुल भी नहीं होगा कि उसका जो पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्ट आया है कि बिकॉज ऑफ ड्राउनिंग, ये चीज नहीं हजम होगा.
माझे केस एक 7 दिवसांनी गेले मग त्याचे वाईप अप झाले
Let me assure you, I am a doctor.
आणि आता हे किती करता किती
Let us not mix up things.
आय एम नॉट मिक्सिंग अप दॅट इज अ गर्ल ऑल्सो दॅट वाज अ गर्ल इन्वॉल्वड.
I am a doctor.
That's what I'm trying to
I have
tell you.
seen many postmortems. Drowning is a case of death. Drowning matlab the thing that caused the death. Matlab she died of drowning. But how that drowning happened, that is the part of police investigation, and we are investigating every angle.
Was she being, now I want to ask you one more question. Was she being given drugs or drinks, something, or something
Postmortem
whereby
report
she
is
became unconscious and then she was raped?
Postmortem
See,
report.
rape you won't get it after drowning. I know that. But are there any marks?
See, everything, every questions, every small details that you are asking are a part of investigation. And unless an investigation is finished,
record.
unless it is brought on record, see, everything will be told to you. We are not hiding anything. It's a part of investigation. Let the investigation go on.
Where's the police was going on that day?
When your officials are giving statement, it hurts us.
Yeah, we would have not come. Madam, if this is one case, we would have not come to create hindrance. Madam, these cases have been happening constantly
This
over the
is
1 month.
Consider Kalangut is considered doctor.
Everything is investigated.
Yes, madam. But
What we found is a body.
madam, how you
What we found is a body.
Madam, you are a doctor. Hafsa is not that far. So did you try to think from that angle?
We are thinking of every possible angle. That is what I am telling you. Every possible angle, every type of foul play is being suspected, is being investigated, is being ruled out.
Madam, it's like a
We are in the process.
it's like a serial killing, serial rapes.
rape,
Within
murder,
25 days,
Our culture in Goa doesn't give us the strength to sustain such kind of brutalities and attacks and rapes and murders and shootouts that we are seeing over the past 1 month. And
Not be sustained.
ma'am, you're giving an assurance, but this is the fifth case that has come
the
up.
way you have,
We'll find out.
the way you have police, no, madam. Madam, the way you have police, you have a big police, right? Are they not aware of all these things?
Go to police station.
Who is taking drugs? Who are the drug mafia? Who are the prostitution mafia? Everyone knows. No. Then why things are happening here? Madam rightly said. The officials in this office knows everything. Everything they know. Who is a drug mafia? Who is a prostitution? Who is getting a hafta? Everyone is knowing this. Investigation does not give the comfort.
we know some of your top officers, we have always spoken to your top officers level. They came under the pressure of one minister, and that's why they transferred the case of one from one particular place to Women's Commission. I don't want any pressure from any side. Since you are a lady, you know how important it is.
I mean, you gave us the assurance. You gave us an assurance that there will be a clean and fast action, and justice will prevail on this girl's family, and they will be satisfied with the justice. Give us this assurance. And Govan, our locals, हम लोग जो लोकल है, हम लोग को ऐसा हमारा सीएम जो है वो स्टेटमेंट करता है कि हमारा माता और पिता रिस्पॉन्सिबल है कि हम लोग बाहर ना जाए, बीच पे ना जाए. ये स्टेट में ऐसा सीएम से हम आपसे गुजारिश करते हैं कि आप ये जो मर्डर्स, रेप्स, बलात्कार जो हो रहे हैं, इस पे स्ट्रॉन्ग हैंड से आप वो जस्टिस लाइए. वो जो कल्प्रेट्स है उनको आप लाइए, सबके सामने दिखाइए कि कल्प्रेट्स को पकड़े हैं और हम सब जनता को, लोकल्स को, गोवा वाले को आप एक एग्जाम्पल सेट कीजिए एंड अश्योर अस दैट नो मोर रेप्स एंड मर्डर्स विल टेक प्लेस इन द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा।
मैडम, आप एक लेडी होकर कलेक्टर हो, कितनी गर्व की बात है। तो जो औरत की गरिमा है, जो रिस्पेक्ट है, वो दिन ब दिन कम होता जा रहा है गोवा में। तो ये केस सॉल्व करके हमको ये साबित कीजिए कि औरत की गरिमा अभी भी यहाँ पर है।
मैडम मेरे को लगता है इससे सीबीआई इंक्वायरी होना चाहिए, बिकॉज दिस इज द केस।
सीबीआई इंक्वायरी का केस नहीं है ये। पुलिस देखो सीबीआई जाएगा फिर इट विल इंक्रीज लाइन ऑफ
हमको स्ट्रांगली चाहिए।
strongly assure everyone present here that the investigation will be fair, objective and will be completed as soon as possible. Every angle will be investigated. No pressure will be taken care of, and the girl will get justice. Goa will get justice.
We really appreciate your words, madam. I'll tell you.
I assure you on my
We really appreciate
How many days?
Madam,
Madam, how many days?
We trust your words. Okay? Trust the words of the officers. The police officers are doing a very good job immediately. But I feel there is something left. The police here.
If ever if you feel that you are a citizen, we are for your service, bring it forward to us.
madam, that is why we have come here. See, this is lock now. Sorry, this is lock. This is lock. We are peace-loving people. We are peace-loving. We have never. We in fact supported this police
But it
station.
doesn't mean that I'm sitting inside and you are locked.
Yeah.
I am here.
No, I agree with you.
The SDPO is
No, we were put outside there earlier.
now you're here.
Yeah, now we are here
After the
because
request we are here.
Yeah,
And what is the future course of action so that the women are safe in Goa? That's the biggest question.
and especially in Kalangut.
Also, that is also under me.
You are thinking women are safe? You are thinking?
I will tell you, I have been to many cities. I have been to Mumbai, I have been to Delhi, I have been to many places. I have stayed there, and Goa is the safest place that
Safe?
I could find.
No, madam.
Which angle? Which angle? Which angle safe? Tell me which angle.
There are few places which will be taken
I want to know.
which will be taken care of, and there will be no further such things. We'll always
फॉर सेक्शन आप एक रिक्वेस्ट है, जब तक ये हमारा आपका क्राइम रेट जब तक कम नहीं होता तब तक आप इशू ऑर्डर कर सकती है गोवा वुमेंस के लिए। गोवा सेफ नहीं तब तक गोवा के वुमेंस बाहर मत जाओ बोल के एक रिक्वेस्ट है। एक ही
और
ऑर्डर
बाकी
निकाल
की
सकती है।
महिलाएं गोवा में ना आए।
हाँ, इतना एक ऑर्डर निकालो। इतना औरत लोग डेली बाहर जाएंगे रात को दिन को। एक ऑर्डर इशू ऑर्डर करो,
बोलना पड़ेगा.
एक ऑर्डर इशू करो। जब तक ये गोवा सेफ नहीं होता तब हम अंदर बाहर नहीं निकल। ये कोई बाहर नहीं आएगा, कोई चले कोई नहीं बाहर आएगा।
Is her body cremated? Yes. So on what we are going to investigate on whose body?
अरे
Now you are destroying the evidence.
अरे
First it was distorted, now it is destroyed.
इशू ऑर्डर इशू करके प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व होत नाही।
I'm just asking you a
अनसेफ
simple
इशू
question.
पाहिजे।
On whose body are they going to investigate?
पंचनामा हुआ है, postmortem हुआ है, everything has been recorded.
मैडम
That girl needs
Now you cannot
dignified
trust anything on record.
dignified
recording is one thing. Recording is one
You
thing.
cannot trust
Everything
anything
can
on
be
record.
settled today.
It should have been there. The body should be there.
Madam, I'm telling you,
Case is
everything can be
over.
settled today.
That is what I'm asking
Yeah.
for.
Why it was in a hurry?
If it was my daughter, I would want my daughter's body to be there. Investigate on Shane's body.
Parents have given permission to do it.
Ah.
We can investigate on Shane's body now.
Parents have
तो ऑर्डर करता
Viceroy
है।
is retained.
Am I right? The body should have been there.
parents have given
How
the
dare
Viceroy,
you
madam.
burn the
How
body?
are you
How
going to
dare
check
you
the drug
cremate
angle?
it?
If
It's
the
destroyed
Viceroy-
now.
If the Viceroy is not retained, how are you going to investigate the
whatever
drug?
is required has been done by the doctor. They are the specialists to
We
do
don't
that.
trust the law now.
Yeah.
I'm very sorry
You
to say
trust
that.
doctors?
No,
No.
no, madam. I'm
Because they're
telling you,
all
this is a big joke.
This is all a big
It's a big,
scandal.
big fuss.
If we are asking you if there is a drug angle, you are saying,
Yeah.
madam, how can you investigate a drug angle when the body is already disposed?
Destroyed.
तो preserve किया जाएगा.
Yeah.
That is what I'm asking. Is it preserved?
अरे आपकी बातें टेली नहीं हो रही, टेली नहीं हो रही, मैच नहीं हो रही।
अगर
We have lost faith in our law.
हमको कुछ मत इनको औरत लोगों को
हजम होने जैसा कुछ भी नहीं है। मैंने पहले ही बोला हजम होने जैसा कुछ भी
We
नहीं है
don't
इसमें।
believe the doctors. We don't believe the
ऑलरेडी बॉडी तो आप लोगों ने जला दिया, अभी क्या करेंगे हम उसका? कैसा इन्वेस्टिगेशन होगा उसमें?
How do
किस
we
तरह
know?
का इन्वेस्टिगेशन होगा अभी?
This is only cover up.
Now, on whose body are we going to investigate? We need to see.
Limiting the body.
You all have destroyed. First, you all manipulated. Now destroyed. So no more evidence. After 6 months, everything will be gone and she's lost.
Help. You are not here to make a
Madam, don't help her. You are here to help alone.
My lord, the body cannot be destroyed.
Who is the Home Minister of State?
Cremated.
Who is the Home Minister of State? There is no minister.
मैं understand.
The tribute
मैं यहाँ जीके का एग्जाम देने नहीं बैठी।
We understand your
मिनिस्टर
point. Now the question is, shall you all investigate?
पहिले राणे साहेबांचं
Investigation will work.
काय बरं लॉ अँड ऑर्डर चालू
There's nothing left to investigate. The body is destroyed.
मायनिंग कोळसा आणि किती
CM is busy
And you
selling
tell us
more.
to trust the government? None of us are here to trust the government. There is no law.
One for us.
You should have come to me.
कॅझिनो
I agree, he is saying that you should have come to him. I mean,
What happened?
Despite having a curfew
What is
and
the
policing,
mess?
these kind of incidents are coming up. What is your reaction on that? When we have a curfew in the state, when we have a curfew in the state, all
Because our daughter, our sister, our mother.
during a curfew, all law and order has to be maintained. Despite having a curfew, there are 5 incidents that have happened in the matter of 1 month,
What
and
was
now.
the need to be in a hurry to cremate?
No, this is not political. This is not political. Come only to the Kalawan police station. We have gone to every village.
त्यांनी काय तुमको फ्री आली तरी तुम्ही काय बरं काम करता
आम्ही हे एक पोलीस स्टेशनाचेर येऊन आम्ही
तुमका सीएम फ्री हँड दिना तेका लागून पाड पडटा सीएम फ्री हँड दिना तेका लागून तुमका फ्री हँड ना काँग्रेस पार्टीला तुमका फ्री हँड मिळेल आम्ही कोणा पहिले तुमचे ऐकाय पहिले ऍडमिन साहेब में हालताले रापा साहेब में हालताले आज क्या अन्ना
एटलीस्ट 48 hours within 48 hours तरी कितें तरी रिस्पॉन्स
टेम्पररी पोझिशन तेंगेले सीएम बी आणि एचएम टेम्पररी पोझिशन तुमचे रेग्युलर पोझिशन एक विथ योर हे लॉ मागीर तुम्ही नाव हालताल म्हण सगळे आता कितें अन्ना ऍडमिन साहेब में हालताले रापा साहेब में हालताले आता कितें
मिसिंग रिपोर्ट फाईल केलेला आसा
आम्ही रिसायकल क्राइम कंट्रोलरला क्राइम कमिटीला
girls which are roaming
You are the in charge of this area and CM is not going to
6 o'clock in the morning. You should be rounded up and put in this issue. Because they do prostitution and the area.
त्याका गोयची पडला त्याका गोयची पडला
What type of home minister is this?
त्याका गावाची पडला
What type of home minister?
आमचे सांभाळत को तुम्ही नी नो इन ऑर्डर को तुम्ही नी तुम्ही प्रोटेक्टर नेम गेले त्यांच्या कोणाकडे चढ
अरे सेवा पडले ना.
टेम्पररी ते
Deputy Collector Madam,
तू सिरियस के नहीं तुझी जुडिक्शन तू सिरियस के
did CM speak on this matter? Serious case not na re. Madam, did CM speak to you on this matter?
सीएम त्याका बनायच काय
Did CM speak to you on this matter?
You know anything CM know about this thing this incident
No, madam. He is the Home Minister of Goa. He needs to be active on this case. He is not right to speak to the in charge of this area. He is not ready to speak to the Deputy Collector. Then what is going to happen?
You are not going to give us information. What is the use of typing
The
the paper?
responsible person is sleeping at
When you
home.
are telling us
What's
to
going
throw
to
this paper
happen?
out?
So
What
that
is
is
the
the
use?
competent people.
What is the use of typing all
will not be able
this?
to
What
do
is the use
anything.
of writing our points down if you are going to say that we are not here to
तुम्ही
give?
जो फ्री हँडली काम केले नी वो काहीच क्राइम जाबा ना गोयांत
What is the point?
क्राइम रेट कशी वाढपा ना
काम करपाक मेळना.
कोणाक आवडटा मर्डर करपाक
How many more rapes? How many more murders are we going to
अंडर
tolerate?
कवर कामात जाता अशी प्रॉब्लेम जाता
We are scared to send our sisters,
Why
our wife,
the law and order
our
is not
daughters out in the on
that
the
too
open
during
and
a
Goa.
pandemic when people are not roaming out totally 100%, clubs are not open, party areas are not open, still these kind of cases are coming up. How?
आता लेवल
When-
क्रॉस झाले लेवल
when-
क्रायमाची लेवल क्रॉस आता हेचमुखाने काय क्राइम जावपाक
And on this, we only have to
या लोकांनी या लोकांनी पास झाले टुरिझमाचे बॅड आनी आज आख्खी इंडियेची आख्खी देशाचे लोक हांगा येता कित्याक सेफ्टी म्हण रापोस साहेब आसा म्हण तूं आस म्हण आज सांग तेंकां येवपा काय येवपा ना ते फाल्यां टुरिजम चलपा जाय कलंगूटचो आनी गोंयचो
तुमच्या आधाराचेर
As a lady, as a mother.
आणि आपण सीएमा बी काय आयकोपा ना ते आपल्या कायद्याक इश्यू केले आपण ती शपथ केला ते करतो
We
म्हणटा
are here for the safety and protection of everyone, and we will keep everyone safe.
मॅडम यू आर हॅपी विथ आमगे स्टेटमेंट न्ही
सर पुराय देशभरात गोवा राज्याचे जे पुलीस आसा तांकां बरो नाव आसा हे आमी मानता हे तुमकांय सगळ्यांक खबर आसा गोंयचे जे पुलीस व्हेरी गुड प्रशासन आय एप्रिशिएट पूण आता जेन्ना लॉकडाऊन चालू आसा तितून जर असली घटना जाता जाल्यार वेर इज द आन्सर इज दिस द आन्सर सर
तुमकां सांगलें न्हू मॅडम.
इज दिस द आन्सर आणि जे 2 वर्सांचे जे लॉकडाऊन चलता
सांगता इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन चालू हा ड्रग एंगल पळयता बट बॉडी इज क्रिमेटेड तुम्ही सांगता आमकां मर्डर एंगल पळयता बट बॉडी इज क्रिमेटेड तुम्ही आमकां सांगता की द गर्ल हॅज डायड ड्यू टू ड्रावनिंग बट द बॉडी इज न्यूड.
All that I can say is investigations will not be hampered in any way. As madam has assured,
justice
we are serious from all the angles, and justice will be done to the.
Henceforth, we want to know as to how long is the justice going to take. 5 cases are already pending.
लिस्ट किती असते
Five cases are already pending, and now one more case has come up in Kalamud, and you are not even giving us a statement. You are not even making a statement as to how long this is going to take.
मेमोरंडम भितर वचून दिवपाक नाका
आम्ही किती ऑक्सिजन पावपायला हांगा गोंयाक हांगा कितले ऑक्सिजन पावयला कितल्या वेंडी दुःख पसून मेण गेलो
सर एक बात तुमकां सांगूंक जाय या 2 वर्सांच्या गोंयच्या पुलिसान केला न्ही लॉकडावनान रियली एप्रिशिएट करता तुमच्या कामाक जे लॉकडावन तुमी सांबाळ्ळा तेच्या खातीर तुमकां रियली एप्रिशिएट करता
बरें काम
ना म्हाका यू आर अक्युजिंग स्टेटस कितें आहा तें तुका खबर आहा तीग जाण 4 जाण भाव आहा
Investigation is on. The police had said that there was no foul play. Investigating. Yes, kindly say that. हांव सॅटिस्फाय ना समजा हांव सॅटिस्फाय ना तूं कितें सांगला तें सॅटिस्फाय ना
What justice you are giving for this girl? काम
कैसे मतलब कितना
आप हेल्प You are responsible for allowing that.
हम लोग ही देंगे आपको पुलिस का क्या है
For hotels, checks, there was some restaurant with their CC camera. You can check on that. You will not waste time.
परमिशन टाइम दिया मगेंगा
Deputy collector, you are responsible. What are you doing?
हम लोग को वापस आना पड़ेगा इधर मैडम ही मासा इधर प्रॉब्लम permission from the parents. It is a very high profile murder which has been done and the police has not done anything about it.
Exactly.
And I feel that the PI who is there in Kalagut, Mr. Raposo, should be transferred immediately because of this case. Otherwise, he will mess up the entire case. And so also Mr. Colasso, who is there, he is also the main culprit for disposing this body without any rhymes or reason. Because people, at the end of the day, if the body was there, we would have asked for some certain clarifications, right? But today, it is all over, right? And today, आयज कितें जालां आमच्या भुरग्यांक, आमच्या चेडवांक, बायलांक कोणाकूच सुरक्षीत ना कोंगडेन भोंवपाक. हे फकत सुरक्षीत भोंवता कोण? प्रोस्टिट्यूशन करता ती चेडवां, ही भायली जाता ती आनी तांकां हे पुलीस सेफ करता. आतां म्हाका सांगशात इन कालांगूट एवरी गली आमचे कालांगूटान पुलीस आसा तांकां बीट पुलीस आसता. आतां हे बीट पुलीस नको कितें चलता तें कालांगूटान आयज ड्रग्स चलना, प्रोस्टिट्यूट चलना. आमी लेटरी बरयल्यो पुलिसेक कांयच जायना, रायट? आयज कांयच जायना. आयज म्हाका दिसता हे कालांगूट पुलीस स्टेशन इज द वर्स्ट पुलीस स्टेशन टू हँडल दीस टायप ऑफ केसीस. शेम ऑन दॅट. शेम.
सर पेट्रोलियम बद्दल म्हणत जाल्यार कितें म्हणटा तुमी? पेट्रोलियमाचेर कितें म्हणटा तुमी? पेट्रोलियम
पेट्रोलिंग कितें आसता रे पात्रांव? पेट्रोलिंग एवरी दिस थिंग गली or every road has a beat police. So they should come and inform the concerned PI over here, right? Have they done that? आता आमच्याच वाड्यार कितले चलता प्रोस्टिट्यूशन ते कोण विचारता तांकां सांगता ना कित्याक तांकां ते आपणाचें सेटलमेंट जालेलें आसता. कितें चलना आयज कोंगडेन आयज हांव तुका सांगता आमी म्हणटा आयज ड्रग फ्री कालांगूट करूंक सोदता, प्रोस्टिट्यूशन फ्री कालांगूट करूंक सोदता. आदीं आहलें जाणां 10 वर्सां आदीं आसलें पुलिसूय एक्शन घेताले पूण आतां ना. आतां कितें जालां आतां पुलीस तांकां सपोर्ट करता. प्रोस्टिट्यूशन ड्रग्स तूं सांगता ते बिजनेस ते सपोर्ट करता तांकां आनी कांय पडोंक ना. आमचो डिमांड फकत आतां जी हांगासर प्रॉब्लम जाता हे लायक मर्डर, रेप्स आनी हे गुंडागिरी ह्यो बंद जावंक जाय. आमी केन्नाच आमी पासून केन्नाच्या पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर गुंडागिरी हो कितेंच पासून करूंक येवंक ना. पूण एवरी सेकंड डे हांगा गुंडा येवन हांगासर बसता. ते कोण? भायले.
पोलिसान स्टेटमेंट दिल्लें की ते चली आसा ते बुडून मेला. तुमी कितले तेजेर हे आसा राजी आसा? तुमकां दिसता की खरेंच बुडून मेला कशें ते?
आयज तरी बुडून मेला तो फकत एकलो देव जाणा पयले, रायट? आनी सेकंड थिंग कितें आहा हे चेडवाक सेमी न्यूड बॉडी आहली, रायट? आनी द थर्ड थिंग इज दॅट वाय दे हॅड टू डिस्पोज द बॉडी. तो म्हणटा ते म्हणटा कितें तेजे मायचे पायचे परमिशन येयलें म्हणून. हांगासर येदी व्हडली मर्डर जाल्या आनी ते मायचे परमिशन घेतल्या बिकॉज दे आर नॉट वेल टू डू फॅमिली.
तांकां कोणें सेटलमेंट केलें दिसता आनी तांकां सांगलां बाबा तूं बरोवन दी रे सायन मारून दी आमकां कळ्या कितें करता ते पुलीस हाडटा मार रे पंचनामाचें सायन ते मारता
हाचे फाटल्यान कोण गॉडफादर
हय खूब आयज हांव गॉडफादर भरपूर आसा हांगासर हांव तुका सांगता पयलो हांव ब्लेम करता प्रमोद सावंत ही इज द चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ गोवा ताका सांगता हांव आय नो वेर द प्रोस्टिट्यूशन इज वॉट इज हॅपनिंग अबाउट इट nothing is happening so this all people are hand in gloves with this right आम्ही फकत हांगा बोवाब मारूंक उरल्या इतलेंच
आणि एक मेजर इश्यू हा टाउट्सांचो आता त्यांच्यानी फाटल्या दिसांनी एक स्टेटमेंट पास केलो आमच्या सरपंचान सेईंग दॅट ही हॅड अ मिटींग विथ द सीएम आणि सीएमान सांगले की आमच्या पुलीस स्टेशन इंचार्जाक की रावंड ऑफ म्हणून म्हणजे कितें सांगूंक सोदता तो आमचो PI केपेबल ना ही सगळीं कामां करपाक आनी ही हॅज टू गो टू द CM टू रिक्वेस्ट हिम टू रावंड एम ऑफ हेजे पळय टाउट्स आहा फ्रॉम कलांगूट सर्कल टील बागा सगळ्याक भरलेले पयलीं तरी रातचेच भोंवताले पूण आतां इवन दिसाचे तेंच्यांनी स्टार्ट केला आनी वयता थंय अर्दो रस्तो ते टाउट्स सगळे कवर करता आनी लडकी चाहिए ड्रग्स चाहिए सगळे नाका जाल्ले भानगडी थंयसर ते करता सो मागता हांव गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन मागिना मागता आमच्या पुलिसां कडेन की मातशें हेजेर लक्ष दिया की गव्हर्मेंट कांय करपाचें ना एटलिस्ट तुमी लॉ एंड ऑर्डर तुमच्या हातीन धरून कशें ते प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करूंक जाता ते जितके जाता तितके बेगीन सॉल्व करा
आतां तुमकां कितें एश्युरन्स दिला पुलिसान की केन्ना मेरेन हेचो रिजल्ट येतलो आनी प्रॉब्लम हे सॉल्व जातलो
सांगला की जाता तितके बेगीन हे करता पूण आतां ती बॉडीच ना जाल्यार ती कशें इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन करतले आनी कशें आमकां रिजल्ट दितले हेचेर व्हडलो क्वेश्चन मार्क
तुमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आसली फाटल्या दिसांनी जी बांगाली पळय जी रेप जाल्ली तिका जाणें केल्ली पळय ती आनी तेन्ना सीएमान सांगलेलें कितें की आवय बापायन भुरग्याचेर चेडवाचेर लक्ष दवरपाक जाय म्हणून आनी आतां हे जे चेडूं सिद्धी नायक उठा पळय ते ताका बापूय घेवन हांगा येयल्लो कामां सोडपाक म्हणजे ताका आपले ग्रीन पार्क म्हणटा हॉटेला कडेन सोडले बाय तूं बशीन बस आनी वच म्हणून बापायन ताका सोडले ते रातीक ते पावोंक ना दुसरे दिसा ते पावोंक ना बापायन काडले आनी पुलीस कंप्लेंट दिली की 2 दीस जाले आपले चेडूं ना म्हणून आनी आतां काल सकाळी तेजी फातोडेचेर बॉडी मेळ्ळी थंयसर आनी ती विवस्त्र आसले ते तर आमी विचारता जर सीएम हे म्हणटा की आवय बापायन लक्ष दवरूंक जाय तर दिसा ढवळे आमी फाटल्या आमच्या फॅमिली वांगडा भुरग्यां वांगडा भोंवताले बायलां वांगडा बी खंय वयता कोण हेंचेर रेप करतलो म्हणून हेका जबाबदार म्हणटा पळय सीएम आसा आनी सीएमा कडेन एक गृह खातें आहा आनी आयज कळंगूटच्यान हांव पिड्यार जाल्लें आहा बिकॉज ऑफ सीएम तेणी जर सारको तपास करीत जाल्यार सगळो मूख कोणी बाबा कोणी रेप केला कोणी जर खून केला सगळें कळटलें लक्ष घालपाक जाय सरकाराक सरकार करता कितें
जाले भाऊसाहेब बांदोडकर जाले मागीर काँग्रेसीची जाले राणे साहेब हांवें रवी नायका पूण आज इतली पळय जी क्रायम रेट वाडला ती केन्नाय जाल्लो क्रायम रेट खंयच्या सरकारान वाडलो नासली राणे साहेब सरकार केन्नाय लॉ ऑर्डर कॉलेप्स जालो नासलो रवी नायक होम मिनिस्टर केन्नाय लॉ एंड ऑर्डर कॉलेप्स जालो नासलें पण आज ही क्रायम रेट इतली वाडली आसा गोंयांत एक जबाबदार कोण हे सरकार आनी प्रशासन बी तितले जबाबदार आसा पण ह्या प्रशासनान ह्या प्रमोद सावंतान हात बांदून दवरले आसा आमचे हात बांदून दवरले आसात ताका लागून हांगा फ्री हँडेड काम करपाक मेळना हे क्रिमिनल आसा तेंच्याच पक्षाचे कोण आसतले हांव सांगूं शकता ताका लागून तेंचे दबावान हेंचे मुखाली निर्शी करपाक दिनात ताका लागून हे शॉर्टकट हे कितें चल्ले आसा
खंय तरी राजकारण चलता
आसात प्रत्येक आज तुम्ही गोंयांत फाटले आतां सरकारी BJP सरकारी आसा आनी प्रमोद सरकार सरकारी आसा तुम्ही क्रायम रेट पळयात मर्डर कशे आसात ती पळयात रेप कशे ते पळयात चोरी कशे ते पळयात किडनॅपिंग कशे ते पळयात हे तुम्ही पयले आयकले हे खंय आयकताले तुमी UP बिहार बाकी देशां बाकी राज्यां आयकताले गोंयांत अशें आयकताले केन्ना आयकले पयलीं हो सरकार पयलीं आयकले आतांच हे कितें आयलां सांग म्हाका मागीर हेमकां हे सरकार जालें जाल्यार हेमकां मुख्यमंत्र्याक तांच्या मंत्र्याक आमदारांक कांय पण गेलें ना हे प्रत्येका आपल्या धंद्या बिजी आसात हेंकां आमी शपथ घेतली गव्हर्नरा फुड्याक आमी राज्य सुखान आनी सुसज्ज चलयतले म्हण शांततेन चलयतले म्हण सुवेवस्था दितली म्हण पण ह्या सगळ्या आपापल्या धंद्याक तो CM आसतो मायनींग कोळसो आनी कितें रे कॅजिनो आनी मागीर टायम मेळटा ट्रिपी मेजप बाकी आतां बाकी ते तुमकां आसात ते मी एकटो कोण सिरियस जाल्यार दाखया म्हाका खंयचो आमदार खंयचो मंत्री जावं आतां मुख्यमंत्र्यान कितें स्टेटमेंट आयिल्लो आसा ह्या हेजेर इन्सिडेंटाचेर आयिल्लो आसा फाल्यां दिसा इतली रेप जाल्यो मर्डर जाल्यो तसो फेस्टिवला टायप हे जाल्ले हे जाल्ले क्रायम चालू जाल्ले आसा गोवा क्रायम हब करपाक पळयता तुमी आनी तुमकां हेका लागून मॅन्डेट दिला तुमकां मॅन्डेट दिला तुमी चोरून घेतले मॅन्डेट पण बरें पण राज दिया लोकांक राती सुखान न्हिदपा दियात भोंवपा दियात तुमच्या समज जायना जाल्यार सोडात तुमच्या समोर राज चलोवपा जायना मुख्यमंत्र्याचे त्याचे मंत्र्याचे आमदार बाबा सोडात दियात राजीनामा दियात नाल्यार सेकंडली नाल्यार तुमी एक ऑर्डर इश्यू करात चीफ सेक्रेटरी सांगून गोवा अनसेफ फॉर वुमन्स म्हण नाल्यार तितली म्हणटी वुमन्स घर रावतले तुमच्या सरकार आसता म्हणल्यार आनी तुमकां आमी 144 लावपाक गरज ना राज बांदपाक गरज ना की आमकां तेच जाय आमकां बॉम्ब मारपाक भायर सरता म्हणल्यार लोक 144 लाव कर्फ्यू लाव कांय बाकी कित्याक लोक सामान्य जनता त्यांच्या गोंयच्या गोंयकारांचेर आनी गोंयच्या लोकांचेर अत्याचार धरण्याचे आवाज करता पण हांकां लोक भायर येवपानूच पण हांकां कर्फ्यू आनी 144 आनी राजू आनी हांकां आमचे आज पसून क्रायम रेट आमचे कितली कमी जाता आहली फक्त हांगे हात बांदून दवरल्यात आमगे आतां सोडल्या न्ही फाल्यां क्रायम रेट पळयात कलंगूटची कितली कमी जाता ती पळयात कितें रेप जाताला पळयात मर्डर जाताला पळयात कितें जाता कितें जाताला पळय वायट इन्सिडंट जाताला पळय याचो बाबा म्हणल्यार प्रॉस्टिट्यूशन म्हणून सांगला आनी कितें सांगलें न्ही गुंडागिरी केली हे कोण कोण एजंट कोण गेले इलिगल कोण एजंट गेले हे एजंट पोलीस एजंट ना हे आमदार मंत्री ते एजंट आनी गोंय तेमी व्यक्ती घेतली आसा कोणी मुख्यमंत्र्यान मंत्र्यान आमदारान तेंगे कांयच ना पोलिसांक कांयच ना ते काकोट बडे ओगी रावपाचे येवन तेमचे कांय करपाक शकनात ही परिस्थिती आयज गोंयची आसा
मॅडम उलय
आज आम्ही हांगा यूथ काँग्रेस KCC सगळे हांगा जमयले आसा महिलास ओके इंट्रोड्यूस युअर सेल्फ आय एम बीना नायक प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ गोवा प्रदेश महिला काँग्रेस जस्ट नाउ वी हॅड अ धरना in Panjim at Azad Maidan from 3 to 5. Then immediately I came here and it's very sickening, very sad thing that we have to come and do the dharna and come to the police station off and on. Because there are so many cases that are happening in Goa. Within a short period of 25 days, there are 5 to 6 cases of rape, molestation, murder, kidnapping. One case that happened in Usgaon, okay. Second case that was in Ponda. Second was in Benali. Third was in Kepe. Fourth was in Valpai. A 14-year-old girl. She was kidnapped, okay, and molested and raped, and all these things were done. And now this is the 5th case. We don't know. Investigation is going on, but as per the police report, they are saying that she was drowned. But we just could not reconcile to what they are saying. Because how can her body be seen without clothes on the beach? If she was drowned, she would have been in the water for a long time, and fish would have tried to eat her skin. Whether there were any marks on the body, we have no idea. The body was cremated very fast, so no clue was left what exactly happened to the girl. That's what we wanted to know from the police personnel, but they are helpless. They are saying that investigation is going on, and when we asked them how long will it take for the investigation, they said we cannot say. But now the body is already cremated. They said that all that whatever whatever things that whatever investigation that we have done or whatever proofs that we have, it's with us. It is being saved. Okay. Now I want to ask the CM of Goa, who is also the Home Minister of Goa, not only him, but all his BJP MLAs who are the minister, and especially the minister of this of Kalangut. What is he doing at home? Why he is not raising his voice? Why he is not taking any action? It should have been immediate investigation, and immediate we should have come to know what exactly is happening here. So this is very sad. If this type of, now Kalangut is considered to be one of the tourist destination. If in this tourist destination, such type of things are going to happen, how we are going to call the people from other places and from abroad? That because here we are girls, our ladies are not, they themselves are not safe. So the sitting minister, he should realize how the image of Goa is getting tarnished day by day. How we are going to improve the image of Goa? Because we rely on tourism. And if tourism fails, what is going to happen? I would also like to ask the ladies from BJP, Mahila Morcha, what are they doing? So many cases have taken place in Goa, 5 cases within a short period, and within 7, now from January 21 to till date, that is August, within 7 months, we had 14 rapes, we had 12 abductions, okay, molestations, and 15 we have minor girls were abducted. What is this? Kidnapped. What is this happening within 7 months? So this is a high time that BJP government should just go away from here, because they are not giving the protection to the women of Goa. They are not giving protection to the girls of Goa, and how we are going to move in the society freely. Goa is a state, our culture is different, our ways of living is different. Our girls, they move out, okay, for job, for various things, emergency calls, doctors are, educated girls are there, and now there is a fear. What is going to happen to the girls and the ladies of Goa? So now I think that all the ministers, including the Chief Minister, who is the Home Minister, should take the moral responsibility and resign from their post. Leave the post, because our ladies are not safe in Goa.
Ma'am, just now you had given the memorandum to the Kalangut police station. What assurance they had given you?
They have not given it. They have just converted. They have not given any assurance. I asked the DYSP just now. I had asked the DYSP also and the collector also. They said we cannot give you the deadline because investigations are going on. I do understand, because there are some lacunas here. There are many lacunas here. It's not some. There are many things which they have to investigate. Because when they have to stand in the court of law, they are answerable. So, okay, you take your time, but do justice towards the girls of Goa. That's it. Thank you. Thank you.
अरे रे रे सर तो आणि कोण ना ताका तळटा उलोवपाक हय तो उलवता ना सर विचारता आणि एक गान शॉट कशी जितली ती हिंदी उलयता न्हू मैडम आप शॉर्ट में बैठ दे सकते हैं नहीं ये लोग जो आए हैं ना क्यों आए और किस वजह से आए मैडम ना बंद करो
रोड हा
बागा रोड ये कपन बदले आते ओके
कोण मारू
खोबराडे चलता
खोबराड
शोर
आम्ही मोठी हाडटले न्ही फाल्यां 4 सगळे कॉलेज जाल्लो हा रस्तो ना ना 3:30